And what you have to do now? We have cooked everything. We have everything all around the kitchen a mess. When everything is a mess, you will need only one thing. It's this. We have two parts here. The soft part and the harder part. When you have something like very hard to clean, with this part you will do like wah, 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 and will disappear. But you need a softer touch. A softer touch. With this one, you will have a softer touch. You see this one? I have already used it many times. You will have here a bit of hole, but it will still work. It's a very good one. This one here, it has almost a month of use every day. I'm a male cooking every day. And also I am a man cleaning. Of course, I clean my mess. And I hope you will do so. Because a man cooking who's not cleaning, that's nothing. That's nothing. So you will be a man cooking, and after that you will be a male cleaning. I know you'll do. I know you will clean after you are cooking. Yes, you will do that. We choose a cleaning tool that is very interesting. The clean cook tool that I use is this one. This one is with two sizes. This is soft size and this is a harder size for more difficult surfaces.